guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, this is SpamBob and White Challenge here. For today's video, I'm gonna show you another balloon bouquet. It's flower balloon bouquet and it's made of rose. Okay, and for today's material, we are gonna use for our stem is the green 160Q, and for the rose itself, this is 260Q chrome balloons. Okay, and we need a hand pump. Also, we will put this later for the bouquet. We'll wrap the flowers with this. Okay, this is how you make this flower right here, a different kind of rose. So I'm gonna show you how to make this. Okay, so using 260Q chrome, you stretch this first and then you pump air about halfway, like a little over halfway, so you leave the end right here, the tail. Okay, tie a knot right here, and then about 4 finger you twist this, then the same size, another twist, so they're about the same. Okay, so you just have to tie a knot right here. See this end? Put it through. So you have that. Okay. So if you go like this, hold it like about 2 finger, twist. It's easier that way. Okay. You will make a 3 of this. 3. So there's 1. So again, squeeze. So 2 finger, twist. There's 2. Again, pinch. About 2 finger, twist. So on top is gonna look like this. Okay, so the top looks like this, and this one right here, you just have to push it in here. Okay, I'll push this in here, just like that. So there's 3 right there, and on the top one right there, there's 4 inches. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze the air. So now I'm gonna put this in between about halfway. See right there? And then you just have to wrap this on here. Wrap it like that. I might want to show you closer, okay? So right there, and then I wrap it on top and put it right here. And see this? Just squeeze it right here. Just arrange it, and there goes your rose. Okay. So now all you need to do is make another the stem. This is 160Q green stem. I will inflate this all the way. You tie a knot right here. Okay, so now you just have to fold it. This is basic, so the tip right here, hold it about 3 to 4 fingers. This will be your leaves. So you'll make 3 of this. You just have to twist. And another one. Just like that. That's all you need to do for the stem and the leaves. Now you have to attach this to your stem. See the 260Q, the tip right here, the tail? Just have to tie it here. So I like to put them securely, so I keep turning and turning until just like that, and there goes your rose. Alright, so we got all our flowers here. We just have to arrange them. Altogether is 9 flowers. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on the very top. So what we're gonna do is, how to connect them, we will use balloon glue dots so I can put them in the right arrangement. There, I connected them with glue dots right here, balloon glue dots, and also I'm gonna put a 262 scrap just so I can have them in place. And there you go, here's our rose right here, flower bouquet rose. Now all we need to do is wrap it with our Valentine wrap. So now we're ready to wrap this here with ribbon. So for the final touch, we will put the real baby's breath. Guys, here you go. Hope you all like this, and if you do, please don't forget to smash the thumbs up and share. Once again, it's from NY, and we would like to thank you all. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in our next video.